So if you were working with your engine and you're trying to take out the radiator hose, and you have the situation that the radiator, it won't even budge, it won't even move, and also at the same time you don't want to break the rubber, and what do? You want to take this out properly. So what I do, here's what I do. You're gonna need this kind of tool. This is what I do. I put this tool inside. Just make sure you don't cut the rubber though. Just make sure. And kind of spread it, right? You have to break the oxidation. As you can see now the rubber is moving, right? All the way, as much as you can. You can go all the way better, right? So just break the oxidation. So this way you don't break the hose. So now you should be easy to pick out. See? That's it. That's how it is.